Thames and Kosmos Chem C1000 Chemistry Set in-depth reviews. This product has 4.4 stars based on 539 ratings and 117 reviews. 83% of customers have overall ratings of 4 or 5 stars, while ratings of 1 or 2 stars accounting for 7% of all reviewers. Let's look at a recent positive review. It said, "Great product. Great product. If your kids enjoy hands-on learning, this is it. Additional products have to be bought to perform some of the experiments. Instructions are written and shown well enough that my kids can follow them." Is there anything the product needs to be improved on? Let's take a look at a critical review. Frustrating. The very first experiment requires filter paper. It was not provided in our set. The very first experiment requires sand. Also not included in the set. I have a heartbroken youngster because I use natural color coffee filters and have no sand. Shouldn't a chemistry set come with such things? That's it.